Alright, in today's video, we are gonna be getting the lights here. This is the new bulb. I got it on eBay. Very hard to find. It's the only place I could find it on the web. And then we got to change our oil today. I got a new filter. Just dump it out down there, get a pan, and hopefully we have enough oil. And it should be a relatively short video today. And yeah. But we're gonna do this light first, see if it works and see what it looks like. And when I get it in, I'll show you guys what it looks like on the tractor and all the lights going, because I never did show you guys that very well. So let's do that. Okay, just finished the backlight, got it on, and now we're gonna turn it on. I'll actually put it on low stage, see it there, flashers blinking, and you can see the red light illuminate. Now before it gets too hot on the resistor, I'm gonna turn it up one, and there you go. Both sides are on. You can hear the blinker on back there. Lights on. Got the blinker on. And then next stage, find it. There we go, both sides. Both sides. And then backlight, no blinker. And there we go. Lights are all done. Now I'm gonna move this stuff down there, get the oil filter out, empty the oil, and put it in. We'll see how much we have. Let's do that. Okay, so we just finished putting the oil filter in. Got the drain bucket down there. It only filled half of it full, and it was all the way full. I was very surprised. The oil was all the way full on the cap or whatever. And we used all of those to put around the oil filter. But when we took the oil filter off, zero oil came out. Zero. And like we just unscrewed it because the drain cap for oil down here is stripped, and the oil pan one is getting there too, so I'm gonna try and find a new oil pan one. That's not in there very tight. Oh, my hands are greasy, I can't do it. But yeah, new oil pan. What you wanna call it? No, I can't think. Oh boy, here we go. So yep, this is probably gonna be it because I only have 500 megabytes left on my phone of storage. So yeah, that's good. It's probably gonna be it for this video. And by the next time, I'm probably gonna have a longer video because yeah, this one's probably like 7 minutes long. And I just have zero storage. So today we achieved getting the oil filter on and getting the backlight fixed, which wasn't much. I was planning to do the PTO cover, but that's still gonna be a nightmare to take off because that's really heavy. But yeah, oil filter, oil. We're not gonna put new oil in it because I need to get a new drain plug and see if we can get that off. If any of you know how to get off a stripped, because that's just rounded off, a stripped bolt, let me know in the comments because I have no idea how I'm gonna get that off. And yeah, like I ran out of ideas because I need to wait for my manifold to get here. I could put in the governor spring because but yeah, I don't have that much data. I mean, not data, I don't have that much storage left. So that's gonna be the end of this video. And as you guys can tell, it was very short, very, very short. But yeah, so I hope you guys all enjoyed this, what is it gonna be, 7-minute long video, but thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one when I have more storage. That's for sure.